So our first buy call would be from Sintex Berhad. So if you look at the chart over here, price for Sintex has recently been in a declining mode. However, it managed to return back above all of its moving average line recently, which makes it possible for the price to actually complete its cup and handle pattern, given that price is now trading within its handle pattern over here. Given that the 21D EMA has just crossed above the 200D SMA line, this shows that bullish momentum remains intact, and the recent advance over here above the 200-day SMA line with a spike in trading volume suggests that buying momentum remain elevated, and as long price remains above all of its moving average line, we believe that price could actually complete its cup and handle pattern, and the neckline, the first resistance line, is now acting as its neckline pattern, which is at 3.80, where a breakout above this line could lead to a bullish continuation move. Next, we have a technical buy call on OSK Holdings Berhad. So for OSK, previously it has been in a strong uptrend where price is far stretched from its 21-day EMA line, and which kind of expected where price went through a pullback phase or a profit taking stage. However, it recently has just broken above its falling wedge pattern over here. Even it built a new consolidation post that breakout. However, yesterday we saw a gap up move with an increase in trading volume, which shows that the overall uptrend could actually resume given that it maintains its position above all of its moving average line. So you can see over here, the advance over here was also seen was also accompanied by the RSI reading that has just breached above its moving average line. And if you look at the RSI reading as well, it has ample of room before reaching its overbought territory. So our next technical target of 1.0 could be achievable if given the current momentum over here. However, we have set our early support line at its 50-day SMA line. As you could see over here, the 50-day SMA line, ever since it started uptrend, has been acting as a very important support line. So watch out for the 50-day SMA line. So however, given the overall current structure, the broader uptrend could actually resume. And lastly, we have a technical buy call on MGB Berhad. So for MGB Berhad, it's quite interesting given that its prolonged downtrend over here remains intact. However, the current sideways range or the current base building has just completed a double bottom pattern over here. So we can see its first bottom over here and the second bottom over here. And we could also see a clear neckline of 0.475. And yesterday's M1 managed to complete the double top pattern over a double bottom pattern over here. And we believe a breakout could actually lead to a bullish reversal mode, given that price will return back above its 50-day SMA line, in which we believe could be on the horizon, given that the signs of bullish divergence getting stronger as MACD readings keeps on rising, and also the RSI keeps on making higher low structure. However, to confirm, the 21D EMA needs to cross above the 50D SMA line, and if a breakout happens and this moving, the 21D EMA makes a bullish crossover, we believe a bullish reverse move could actually start and might actually test our next technical target at 0.505.